the channel. Hey Virgo, welcome to the channel. This is going to be a reading for Virgo soulmates, all that you need to know about your person, their feelings, intentions, what action are they going to take, versus where things could be going for the next 15 days. For Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and North Node. So yeah, let's start. First few cards for you, and then we move to your person. So let's see what's coming up for you, Virgo. We have Six of Wands. So many of you guys could be getting a lot of attention from other individuals, from counterparts, whatever it is. You guys might also be looking very good this coming month. I feel you guys feel very much in your vibe, in your spirits, and just not that. I also see you guys getting a lot of recognition. It's from your work, your family, your dating, everything. Okay. What else do you see? Okay, with Two of Swords, however, you're a bit indecisive. Okay, you guys have something in mind, but you're not very clear as to what you want to do with it. Okay, what else do we see coming up for Virgo? With Queen of Cups, I do feel like many of you guys do have someone in mind right now. You guys are not surely single. You guys do have someone on mind very strongly who you could have kind of stayed away from or was been staying away from. You guys were not really wanting to get it involved in your emotional feelings, but even after all that, even after being so fucking practical that you guys always are, you guys can't stop but feel for this person. Okay, one more card. What else do we see coming up for Virgo, please? With Four of Pentacles, however, this person is very closed off. Someone who keeps to themselves, someone who's bit like I won't call them a complete there's this term for it where this person is only going to come to you when they need you, and it's going to come off very wrong, but it's not that they do not come to you when they need you. It's just that the person is emotionally closed off, like that is them, like they don't do it because they want to use you or something like that. No, I see this person being closed off. They are just like that. No damage, no nothing, just born like that. Okay, one more card. What can my dear Virgos expect? With Six of Swords, however, this person is still trying to maintain emotional distance from you. They are not very much willing or forthcoming when it comes to this connection. Okay, when it comes to your relationship, what's the overall energy going to be like? Okay, your relationship sucks. Basically, Four of Cups. You feel left out by this person. You feel taken for granted. You feel like this person is never going to accept your offer. Even after all that, I still see you having solid feelings for this person. Whereas this person is coming off very, very closed off. Okay, one more card. What's the energy like towards Virgo, please? Yeah, this person is watching from a distance but not very much wanting to take any sort of action towards you in terms of their energy. But I do see this person having intentions of holding on to this. They are not willing to quit on it, but for now this person might take some time before reaching out to you. Okay, in terms of how do they think about you, they do have their eyes on you. With the World card, they do consider you something that they've been looking for. However, they might not be ready for a relationship, but they do consider you someone who really matches them, really connects with them, really vibes with them. Okay, one more card. In terms of how do they view you now, they view you as someone who is a bit upset with them. Okay, they know that you've been missing them and they haven't been doing anything about it. They know that you're not very happy in this relationship. Okay, in terms of how do they view the connection, okay, they've known that this connection has been going on for a while now. It's not a new connection for sure, but the problem is you guys are both acting on your ego, your pride, and your pride always gets in the way. You guys both feel strongly for each other. They look at you as a counterpart, as a partner, but both are not taking action. Both are holding back, and this silence has messed up the connection. Okay, in terms of their intentions towards Virgo now, intention still is to be not giving in much. Why are they doing this? What's the major purpose? It's like they're not ready for it. Okay, it's very intentional. At the same time, they're not ready for it. I believe right now they're in a very confused place. They want to focus on their life more than their relationships. It's like they are very focused on their career right now, and you might be knowing about it. If they are like still like in their studies or in their learning phases, then they are still focused on that. Okay, why do we see this person not coming towards work? What else do we see getting in the way? Yeah, this person isn't ready for you, darling. Okay, they have all those feelings and all. It's just that they feel like they do not have enough to offer you. Okay, some of you might be doing really well financially and they are not. They have just started their careers or they are not doing well financially. Just be it anytime. Okay, Armukar. Right now this person will message you, they might hold back a lot, but then again I see this person trying to be in contact. This person will come forward, howsoever. This person looks at you as marriage material, everything, but mind you, they are still not giving in terms of like committing to you or holding on to you. No, it's not like they are giving up on you and they are doing something behind your back. No, you can trust this individual. It's just that this person isn't ready for a relationship, and it's not your fault. It's this person's mindset that is messing them up. Okay, one more card. In terms of their feelings for Virgo, feelings for Virgo, we have the Judgment card, so which speaks about you guys have gone through the ups and downs too many times, and it has been a learning lesson for this individual. Even after putting you through so much, it's like you haven't given up on them, and this thing is very rare, right? Even after someone puts you through a lot of shit, and the love keeps you still waiting on them, right? The feelings. With Four of Wands, for many of you, you guys are dealing with a possible twin flame who's meant to put you through shit just for you to level up or just for you to possibly grow as a person, as a soul, as an individual. One more card in terms of their heart space. Yeah, Ten of Cups. They love you crazy, man. But in terms of their headspace, but they are wearing this strong mask that they are not willing to show you anything. Even after having all those feelings, they might be coming off just cordial, not even emotional. Okay. With Justice card, they do have mutual feelings for you, just like the way you have for them, but they are not willing to open up about it. Okay. For now, what are they willing to have with you? For now, we have the Magician card. Please clarify. With Nine of Cups, just like I told you, this person will come forward. This person will put in those efforts. You guys will be in a lot better space than you guys are right now. Top card we have is Eight of Pentacles. They will put in that effort, but the way you want it, that is, Virgo wants everything solid. Like they are very much a Earth sign. So Earth sign wants everything to be going in a certain way. If it is not, then that might kind of irritate you a bit, right? But this person is still wanting to work things out with you. They are still wanting to manifest the connection. Howsoever, the commitment part of the connection or the moving towards marriage, kids, family, that thing might still trigger them. Okay, but things will be going from now until the end of the month. Just like I told you, with Seven of Wands, this person will come in. However, they'll still want to keep their independence. They'll still want to keep their space. Okay, so it might happen. Everything might go well, but when it comes to committing and when it comes to getting together, when it comes to living together, they might still hold back, darling. Okay, but yes, they will come in. I would say almost 85 to 90% of you guys will hear from your person. Okay, one card for the blockages. Blockage we have is Ace of Wands. So this person is ready for a sexual relationship, but not very much open for commitment. Okay, Page of Pentacles. They only want to offer this much. They are not willing to offer you everything, as of now. Okay, with Two of Wands, this they are still wanting to work things out when it comes to their work life, career, family, whatever it is. Okay, so let's take love messages for Virgo. Give me time to remove the mask. Just like I told you, they do have strong feelings, but they need more time. Okay, second message we have is I choose you. So if you've been thinking that this person might be walking away or must have chosen someone else, no, it's all part of the journey. So just like I told you, this could be a twin flame connection, and it's all meant to be going this way. Okay, my family got in the way. For some of you, the family could have got in the way where they did not approve of you, and they, they still have to work their way out. Okay. So second message we have here. I miss your voice. So this person does miss you a lot, darling. So yes, this was your reading for the sign of Virgo. All that you need to know for the next 15 days. If it resonated, kindly hit the like button, support the channel. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe, comment. If you want a personal reading that goes like this and with much more details, then go to my website and book one for yourself. Thank you so much for coming in, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers. Thank you so much.